Ndewonu ụmụnne m, isiokwu anyị na-asị ihe anaghị eme ụbọchị ahịa eke n'ala Igbo. The dawns on Eke Market Day in Igbo land. Before we go on, hit the like buttons and subscribing bell to follow us each time we upload a new video so that you'll be notified. Let's start. Remember, Eke Market Day means fire, power, and the creation. Yes, it also means Eke Kerowa. Eke Kerowa, that is the creator of the universe. Eke Market Day is a holiday in Igbo land. They observe it as their Sundays. On this market day, our parents, they pour libation on the ground to thank their gods, how they have been guiding them through other days, and even in that Eke Market Day. They also thank them for the blessings they are having in their families. On this market days, we are going to look into the dawns on Eke Market Day. Number one is no marriage on Eke Market Day. You cannot have your wife, yes, on Eke Market Day. You cannot go to farm on Eke Market Day. If you have anything to sell on the market on Eke Market Day, you are going to gather them on other days like Afo, Nkwo, and Ori. So that on the Eke Market Day, you take them to the market and sell. On that Eke Market Day, our parents, like our fathers, you see them having their good time in the market. Like the places they are selling palm wine, you can see them. Many of them will go there and have their own rest. They gist with other fellow men there. Or there are other places meant for men in the market just for resting. You will see many of our parents there having good time with others in the market. Women having issues with their husband, they are not allowed to go out of their husband's house on Eke Market Day, because if she does that or if they do it, the person is going to pay or do some rituals before she will be allowed to come back to her husband's house. Yes. No funeral on Eke Market Day unless it is untimely death or a sacrilege or a person or a child died on that day. Before they can have funeral. If not, no funeral on Eke Market Day. Or the person did not have any child before they can bury them on Eke Market Day, because it is their Sunday. It is a special day for them. You can go to market, but you cannot go to farm on that Eke Market Day. That is what we are saying. Ihe anyị na-ekwu bụ na ụbọchị ahịa eke n'ala Igbo, na ọ bụ ụbọchị eji ezu ike bụ ndị Igbo. Ụbọchị ahịa eke, ị gaghị aga ugbo, ị gakwanụ eme akwamozu, olesi ma obere nwa nwụrụ, maka na onye mere ihe na asọ nsọ, maka na onye nwụrụ ọnwụ mgbakwu, enwere ike nye ndị ahụ, maka na onye amụtaghị ọnwa enwere ike nye ha ụbọchị eke. Mana ọ bụ na ọ bụghị otu ahụ, ha na-ezu ike na ụbọchị eke mbụ ndị Igbo. Nwaanyị ọbụla anaghị echi na nke di ya agbafu ma ọ bụ na ha nwee okwu. Ma ọ bụ na o mee otu a, ọ ga-ejikwa ihe ọ ga-eji wee medo ana tupu o mee gịnị, ochiatakwa azụ na be di ya na mbọsị eke. Anaghịkwa anụ nwaanyị mbọsị eke na ana Igbo. Ihe anyị na-ekwu bụ, ọ bụrụ na ihe anyị kwuru na unu ka na-eme ya na saịdị unu na ana Igbo, dee ya na comment section. Ọkwa na ọ dịghị otu a, dekwa ya, tụsara anyị ihe ozizi a ka emesienụ ndị nke m. Bye.